Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power mirrors with signals, keyless entry, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 16-inch machined contrast alloy wheels, all-season tires, auto-off projector beam halogen headlamps, fog lights, LED daytime running lights, and a strong six-cylinder with only 34,779 miles. A power sliding rear window, the bed cover, the tow package, LED brake lights, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable fabric bucket seating, cruise, AC, a push-button start, a locking glove box, a wireless charger, selective internet, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.